Jamaica continues to chart new frontiers for tackling the challenges brought about by COVID-19. On Tuesday, April 12, the Ministry of Health and Wellness commissioned a new state-of-the-art cobas machine at the National Public Health Laboratory, which increases the country's testing capacity in light of the global pandemic. The new machine allows for over 1,000 samples to be tested daily in double 8-hour shifts.
That's a very welcome addition to what we have already in place. And I think it will certainly increase the testing, and of course in deploying the mobile units to go out, as well as the different testing protocols that we have. What we have effectively done is created the capacity to collect more samples nationally, whether it is through contact tracing or whether it is through our Centennial sites, meaning persons just turning up at the hospitals or the health centers. We are in a situation now where we can do significantly more testing, and that's a very positive development.
Previously, most of the country's testing was concentrated at the National Influenza Center at the University Hospital of the West Indies. The health minister thanked the team, who he said are well-trained and ready to champion the cause on behalf of the Jamaican people. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa Mackenzie said that sampling capacity out in the field has been boosted.
We have been getting the samples coming in from the health centers, from the different hospitals of all persons who have any kind of respiratory illnesses. And we have also started using the mobile team that is helping the health departments in getting the sampling done, and this is going to be particularly useful when we have any kind of outbreaks in communities and we need to do the contact tracing and we have to do the testing at the same time.
As the fight against COVID-19 steps up, with corporate Jamaica playing a role, the Southern Regional Health Authority was gifted 10 mobile vital sign machines on Wednesday, April 22, valued at more than $1.8 million from BMR Jamaica Wind. The new machines monitor the vital signs of a patient, including their blood pressure, pulse, and temperature, which allows doctors and nurses to monitor and deliver treatment in a more timely and focused manner. The Southern Regional Health Authority administrates public health care in the parishes of Clarendon, St. Elizabeth, and Manchester. COVID-19 has brought about a new normal for many of us, and for persons in the tourism and hospitality sector, it's no different. Online training has increased in light of the social distancing requirement implemented to prevent the virus from spreading. The Ministry of Tourism, through its training arm, the Jamaica Center for Tourism Innovation, JCTI, is offering tourism workers free online courses. The ministry is partnering with Heart NSTA Trust, Universal Service Fund USF, University of the West Indies UWI, National Restaurant Association NRA, and the American Hotel and Lodging Educational Institute AHLEI. All courses will include certification examinations. Successful candidates will receive certificates from NRA, AHLEI, or Heart NSTA Trust as required. To register, persons can go online at www.tef.gov.jm/Jamaica-Center-of-Tourism-Innovation or call the JCTI at 876-920-4926.
While these are trying times, we must remember that there is life after COVID-19 and the tourism sector will rebound. While we don't know the time or the hour, we have to be prepared to jump back in as if it never stopped. I want you, all tourism workers, to be better prepared. And we want you to recognize that leaving this period of this pandemic must not leave you as you were before, but indeed much better off. There is no better time, therefore, than now to retool and upskill. It is a smart investment to stay resilient, which will pay handsome dividends when the tourism sector returns to normal.